This executive investment report will discuss Halozyme Therapeutics, including its innovative technology, market dynamics, growth catalysts, financial strength, and valuation. We'll analyze how the company is positioned within the biotechnology sector, assess its track record of success, and explore key partnerships that drive its growth. By the end of this report, we Lions have a comprehensive understanding of Halozyme's potential as an investment opportunity and its ability to deliver superior risk-adjusted returns. So let's get started. 1. Company snapshot. Biotech firm Halozyme Therapeutics, NASDAQ. Halo is headquartered in San Diego, California. 2. Product value proposition. ENHANZE transforms traditional intravenous for biologics into subcutaneous therapies administered in minutes versus for infusions taking hours. This shift delivers 3 key benefits. For patients, it means less time spent in clinical settings, greater comfort, and ease of long-term adherence. For providers, it reduces demand on limited infusion infrastructure and staff time, improving throughput. For pharma partners, it extends product lifecycle, increases product differentiation, and opens new markets. Real-world evidence shows that ENHANZE-enabled subtherapies deliver an improvement in quality-adjusted life years by 0.3 to 0.6 per patient compared to for in chronic conditions. Additionally, cost-benefit analysis indicates that ENHANZE-enabled sub-treatments can save $20,000 to $30,000 annually per patient by reducing administration and indirect costs. 3. Market niche and landscape evolution. To primary forces drive Halozyme's market opportunity. First, a technology push with global drug development, increasingly decentralizing care and enabling outpatient therapy administration. ENHANZE fits directly into this shift, supporting home-based or ambulatory care by enabling biologics to be delivered in simpler formats. Second, a market pull exists with strong patient preference for subcutaneous treatment options across oncology, immunology, and rare diseases. In studies involving monoclonal antibodies, over 85% of patients express a willingness to switch to or remain on subcutaneous delivery. This demand incentivizes pharma companies to adopt ENHANZE for existing and new therapies. Furthermore, subcutaneous delivery improves patient adherence, which correlates with better clinical outcomes and reduced total cost of care. By minimizing infusion-related burdens, Halozyme helps ensure long-term engagement with treatment regimens. 4. Competitive landscape. While Halozyme operates in a specialized market, it faces indirect competition from several players. Enable Injections, focused on on-body delivery devices, is a device-driven competitor but lacks the flexibility to transform biologics across platforms. Insulet, known for insulin pumps, serves the diabetes market with self-administered solutions but does not offer a molecule-agnostic solution like ENHANZE. Ipsym, producing smart autoinjectors and drug delivery devices, also lacks deep integration with the biologics manufacturing process. Halozyme maintains a competitive edge by offering a molecule-agnostic, clinically validated enzyme that enables sub-transformation across diverse therapeutic areas and product types. 5. Market access strategy. Halozyme employs a hybrid licensing model. Instead of directly commercializing drugs, the company partners with large pharmaceutical firms to integrate the ENHANZE platform into their existing pipelines. This approach gives Halozyme access to global markets with minimal capital expenditure and risk. The company earns revenue through upfront licensing fees, clinical and regulatory milestone payments, and recurring royalties from partner drug sales. The strategy is capital-light, scalable, and diversified across multiple indications and geographies. 6. Valuation and due diligence. 2024 to 2025. In the past year, Halozyme stock has shown notable upward movement. In 2024, shares ranged from $30 to $46. By mid-2025, shares climbed to $54. Buoyed by strong quarterly revenue growth and the announcement of a proposed €2 billion acquisition of Biotech SE, This deal aims to expand Halozyme's internal R&D capabilities. Financially, the company generates approximately $900 million in revenue with an EBITDA margin near 45%. Free cash flow yield stands around 7.5%, and its EV/EBITDA ratio of approximately 13x indicates moderate valuation relative to growth. Analyst price targets range from $61 to $79. However, internal valuation modeling suggests further upside. 7.5-year discounted cash flow DCF valuation forecast. Halozyme's valuation over the next 5 years was modeled using a risk-adjusted, year-adjusted discounted cash flow framework. Key assumptions include revenue CAGR of 17% from 2025 through 2030, primary revenue streams from royalties and milestone payments. Cost structure remains stable due to the licensing model. Under these assumptions, 3 valuation scenarios were modeled: conservative, base, and bull cases. The conservative case estimates a fair value of $72 per share with an internal rate of return IRR around 5%. The base case estimates a fair value of $93 per share with an IRR around 11%. The bull case estimates a fair value of $110 or more per share with IRR ranging between 15 to 18%. The weighted average expected valuation over 5 years is approximately $91.20 per share, which represents a 68% upside from the current trading level. 8. Commercialization catalyst. 2025 to 2028. Several milestones are expected to drive growth and investor sentiment. In the second half of 2025, the Biotech acquisition is anticipated to close, enhancing Halozyme's drug discovery and development capabilities. Between 2025 and 2026, the internal pipeline is expected to expand using ENHANZE, moving beyond pure licensing. Also in 2026, regulatory approvals of additional partner-developed ENHANZE-enabled therapies are anticipated. Finally, starting in 2027 and beyond, Halozyme expects to enter new therapeutic areas, secure additional global licensing deals, and see broader platform utilization. These events are likely to unlock new revenue streams, enhance enterprise value, and support valuation appreciation. 9. Economic value over asset analysis. Halozyme's capital allocation strategy is disciplined and shareholder-focused. With over $700 million in cash and a $500 million share buyback program in place, the company is maintaining financial flexibility while returning capital to shareholders. The royalty model offers high returns on invested capital. A typical ENHANZE licensing deal yields more than $30 million in lifetime royalty revenue per program, a cost of less than $10 million in development. This reflects significant economic leverage. The platform's ability to generate non-dilutive, recurring cash flows without extensive operational expansion underpins a compelling economic moat. Conclusion: Halozyme Therapeutics offers a unique investment opportunity in the biotechnology sector. Its ENHANZE platform is deeply embedded in the evolving preferences of patients, providers, and pharma developers alike. With a capital-light model, a growing royalty base, and a well-executed partnership strategy, the company is poised for substantial growth. A risk-adjusted valuation indicates a strong potential for long-term returns with a target share value of over $90 by 2028. For biotech investors seeking lower risk exposure with scalable upside, Halozyme represents a differentiated, innovation-driven growth story. Thank you for watching.